In this video, you'll learn how to pause an eBay listing effectively. This process allows you to manage your inventory by temporarily removing items from availability without permanently deleting them. Begin by logging into your eBay seller account. Once logged in, navigate to the Seller Hub or the My eBay Selling section. Look for the Active Listings page, which displays all your current items for sale. Here you will locate the specific listing you wish to pause. It is advisable to review the listing details to ensure you select the correct item, especially if you have multiple listings. This step is crucial, as pausing a listing is typically done when the item is temporarily unavailable. Next, within the listing options for the item, you will find choices to either edit or end a listing. Some sellers opt to pause listings by ending them early or by adjusting the quantity to 0. Select the appropriate option based on how you prefer to manage your listing. It is important to carefully review any changes you make before confirming the action. This step is necessary to prevent buyers from purchasing the item while it is unavailable. And once this action is taken, the listing will cease to appear in search results. After you have paused the listing, you may want to reactivate it later when the item becomes available again. To do this, return to your selling dashboard where eBay maintains records of your ended listings. From here, you can relist or reactivate the paused listing quickly. It is wise to review the listing details once more to ensure accuracy before making it live again. You might also need to update the price or inventory depending on your current stock situation. Reactivating the listing will make the item visible to buyers once more, allowing you to maintain control over your available inventory. This ensures that potential buyers can see the item again and make purchases as necessary. Keeping track of these changes helps you manage your eBay store effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.